Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn some basic English grammar, useful tips and tricks to improve your English, and how to practice effectively. Whether you're just starting to learn English or want to improve your skills, this video is for you. By the end of the video, you will have a better understanding of English grammar, some helpful tips to make learning easier, and ideas for practicing your English every day. Why learn English? English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is used in business, travel, education, and even on the internet. Learning English can open many doors for you, whether you want to travel, study, or work in an English-speaking country. But don't worry if you're just starting. Everyone begins somewhere, and this video will help you take your first steps. Basic English grammar. Grammar is the structure of a language. It helps us form sentences and communicate clearly. Let's start with some basic grammar rules that every beginner should know. 1. The alphabet and pronunciation. English has 26 letters in the alphabet. Some letters are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are consonants. Pronunciation can be tricky because some letters sound different in different words. For example, the letter A can sound like A in cake or A in cat. The letter C can sound like K in cat or S in scent. Tip: listen to native speakers and practice repeating words to improve your pronunciation. 2. Nouns. A noun is a word for a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, person, teacher, student, John. Place, school, park, city. Thing, book, table, car. Idea, happiness, freedom, love. Nouns can be singular, one, or plural, more than one. To make most nouns plural, add s. Book, books, car, cars. But some nouns are irregular. Child, children, mouse, mice. 3. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns. They make sentences shorter and easier to say. Here are some common pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them. Example: instead of saying, John is a teacher, John is kind, you can say, John is a teacher, he is kind. Verbs. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. For example, run, eat, sleep, read, write. In English, verbs change depending on the time: past, present, future. For example, present, I eat breakfast. Past, I ate breakfast. Future, I will eat breakfast. Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. They tell us more about a person, place, or thing. For example, a big house, a red car, a happy child. Sentence structure. In English, most sentences follow this order: subject plus, verb plus, object. Example: I, subject, eat, verb, apples, object. Tips and tricks for learning English. Learning a new language can be challenging, but these tips and tricks will make it easier and more fun. 1. Start with simple words. Begin by learning common words and phrases that you can use every day. For example, hello, goodbye, please, thank you, yes, no. 2. Practice every day. Even 10-15 minutes of practice every day can make a big difference. Try to read, write, listen, and speak in English daily. 3. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to learn new words. Write the English word on one side and the meaning in your language on the other side. Review them often. 4. Watch English videos. Watching videos in English can help you improve your listening skills and learn new words. Start with videos for beginners, like this one. 5. Speak as much as you can. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking is the best way to improve your English. Practice with friends, family, or even by yourself. 6. Keep a vocabulary notebook. Write down new words and phrases you learn. Review your notebook regularly to remember them. 7. Use language apps. There are many apps that can help you learn English, such as Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise. These apps make learning fun and interactive. How to practice English. Practice is the key to improving your English. Here are some ways to practice. 1. Reading. Start with simple books or articles for beginners. You can also read signs, menus, or labels in English. 2. Writing. Keep a journal in English. Write a few sentences every day about your life, your feelings, or your plans. 3. Listening. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or news. Try to understand the main ideas and write down any new words you hear. 4. Speaking. Practice speaking with a friend or language partner. If you don't have someone to practice with, talk to yourself in English or record your voice. 5. Games and activities. Play word games like Scrabble or crossword puzzles. These games can help you learn new words and improve your spelling. Common mistakes to avoid. When learning English, it's normal to make mistakes. Here are some common mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Confusing a and an. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. A book, a car. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound. An apple, an hour. 2. Forgetting the S in plural nouns. Remember to add S to make most nouns plural. Books, cars. Don't say two book. Say two books. 3. Using the wrong verb tense. Pay attention to the time, past, present, future, and use the correct verb tense. For example, don't say, I ate breakfast yesterday. Say, I ate breakfast yesterday. 4. Translating directly from your language. Sometimes direct translation doesn't work in English. For example, in Spanish, you say, tengo frío, I have cold. But in English, you say, I am cold. Fun ways to learn English. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Here are some fun ways to practice. 1. Sing English songs. Singing is a great way to improve your pronunciation and learn new words. Choose your favorite English songs and sing along. 2. Watch movies with subtitles. Watching movies in English with subtitles can help you understand the meaning of words and phrases. 3. Join an English club. Many cities have English clubs where people meet to practice speaking English. You can also join online groups or forums. 4. Play language games. Games like Scrabble, Boggle, or word search puzzles can make learning English fun and exciting. What have we learned in this video? In this video, we learned basic English grammar, including nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and sentence structure. Tips and tricks to make learning English easier, such as practicing every day, using flashcards, and speaking as much as possible. How to practice English through reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Common mistakes to avoid and fun ways to learn English. Remember, learning English takes time and practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking English with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.